from the 1 minute flat side, 9 rows, 9 separate starts, 1 minute between each row. That'll start off our 2.5-hour race of the fastest racers on the planet. At different skill levels, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the Western Harris Scrambles crowd, we've got the Works Bikes crowd, they have all converged. Stratoline ORB Park for Western Harris Scrambles, round 4. Stratoline. Remember, we're going to do a dead engine start here, ladies and gentlemen. Homer's looking down at the flag. Fire up and down! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WHS